Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I am analyzing this stock Adani Ports. If you will watch this stock closely, then you will find out that this stock is actually taking support of this region, okay, 688 or you can say 683 rupees, and it is actually taking resistance of this level now, okay, 768, and it has fallen from this level. Okay, what can happen in this stock? This stock has a swing support line of this, okay. It has taken four supports in this region, okay, and it has taken two support under this trend line, okay. See here two resistance under this trend line, okay. So what can happen in this stock tomorrow? See, if you will watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock is actually taking resistance so strong. It is taking so strong resistance, okay. What can happen in this stock tomorrow if the stock goes below this swing low, okay. If the stock goes below this swing low, below 707 rupees or 706 rupees, any 15-minute candle if gives a closing below this level, and if any candle goes below that closed candle, then you can short this stock for the target of 683 or 690, okay. This stock will surely fall tomorrow. If Nifty is bearish, this stock will automatically fall, okay. What more can happen? Okay, see, if you'll watch this stock in under EMA context, you will find out that this stock has turned bearish and it is taking resistance of what? Of 30-minute 200 EMA, 15-minute 200 EMA, 5-minute 200 EMA. It is taking resistance of all of these EMAs, and it is actually taking resistance of 1 hour 200 EMA also. So what can happen? The stock may fall and fall for these low targets 613, 14, okay. And this stock in hourly time frame is actually making what? Is actually making a head and shoulder kind of a pattern. See, if you will watch this closely, you will find out. I will remove these drawings, okay, and I will draw these levels. See, this is a head and shoulder kind of a pattern, and if the stock gives a closing below these regions, okay, then it will fall drastically, okay. So basically this is a head and shoulder kind of a pattern in this stock, and if the stock gives a closing below this levels, then it will fall drastically means it will continue to fall and fall and fall, okay. So it can be a good short candidate tomorrow if it goes below this level, okay, below 704, 702. It should sustain below 70234, then only you can short this stock, okay. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn from me, you can contact me on Telegram. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such contents and video.